Hello, my dear students. How are you all? So, here today's topic. I would just before beginning with the addition, you must understand what are addends. Addends are the numbers being added. Simple example 3 plus 5 is 8. So, 3 and 5 are what? These are called addends. And 8 is called what? The answer that I get, it's the total or sum, right? So addends are what? The numbers that we add. These are one digit numbers. You can have 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, any digit number, but when you are adding them, when there's a plus sign in between those numbers, it means those numbers are addends, and the answer we get is called the total or sum. Okay, so moving ahead, today's main topic is our order of addends. I will take this example only. Here I have written 3 plus 5 is 8. Now even if I write 5 plus 3, what is my answer? What is my total? It's 8. So what do we understand with this? That either I write 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3. My total remains the same. You can test this by using any number, any digits of number. I'll take more examples over here. Suppose I have written 12 plus 10. The answer is what? 22. Here I'll change the order of the addends. See, order is what? Sorry. Okay. Just be on one side. Thank you. Okay. So order is what? The order is that here 12 has come first and then second addend is my 10. So now I'll change the order. I'll make 10 my first addend and then 12. What is the sum again? It's the same, 22. So are you getting my point? That whatever the order of the addends are, the total remains the same. Of course, the numbers addend should be same, then only your sum will be same, right? So here I have, now since we are doing 4-digit numbers, so here are some questions based on the order of addends. Don't get scared after looking, so many numbers, so big numbers. It's damn easy, trust me. Look here. So now my first addend over here, so see, equals to. Okay, I'll explain you one more thing. It's very important before we move on to that exercise. We all understand this sign, right? We understand this sign, that this is equals to side. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Equals to means that my left hand side is equal to right hand side. Like both the sides are equal. If in form of addition, I'll show you like the same example, 3 plus 5 equals to 8. So it is 3 plus 5, here it is 8 only. So see, left hand side and right hand side both are equal. It is always then that whenever we have equals to sign in between, so it means left hand side and right hand side are equal in terms of addition when we talk about. Okay, so coming back to our that exercise over here, the questions. Here I have 3946 plus dash equals to 4272 plus 3946. Now you don't have to do any rough work. You don't have to do any vertical addition, nothing of that sort right now. You just have to see that one addend is over here my equals to side, left hand side, right hand side, both should be equal. Done. So one addend is here, the same addend is over here. Okay. So what is missing? Which addend is missing over here? This number. So I will just write down 4272. So see, it's such easy, these are such easy sums. You just have to find out where my missing addend is, so that I can make left hand side, right hand side both equal. Let's go to another question. Here, see, there it is 3 times 6, 4 times 6, dash. Here it is 2 times 6, 4 times 6, 3 times 6. So which is the new addend over here, which is missing over here? Yes, 66. So I'll write my answer over here. It's very easy. You just need to find out which addend which is here but not here. So like here I have 523 plus dash plus 729, fine, equals to 638 plus dash plus 729. Oh, very easy. Here there is one dash, but on the right hand side I have this new addend over here. So I will take this addend and write here. And here which addend is missing? Yes, 523. Easy. Now next, here one addend is missing. So now look here, which addend is here which is not here? Yes, this addend I cannot see over here in these two. So this is the dash, this is the new addend. I will take this addend and write over here. And here this addend is missing, so I'll write this addend. See, the basic motive of this such exercises is just to tell you that the order of the addends can be changed, but the sum remains the same. Both my left hand side, right hand side remains the same. Here also you can make out that this addend is missing over here, so I will write over here this addend, and here this addend